Welcome, young scientists. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of acids and bases, two important types of substances that have a big impact on our lives and the world around us. As we explore, you'll discover the characteristics of acids and bases, identify everyday examples, and learn how they even affect nature. Remember, this video is your adventure guide and field reference as you journey through the haunted pumpkin patch escape room. First, let's start by learning what acids and bases are. Acids are substances with a sour taste. Think of a lemon or vinegar. They're on the lower end of something called the pH scale, which ranges from 0 to 14. Acids have a pH of less than 7 and will turn a special paper called litmus paper red. On the other hand, bases are substances with a bitter taste and a slippery feel, like soap or baking soda. Bases have a pH greater than 7 and turn litmus paper blue. Right in the middle of the pH scale, at 7, is something called neutral. Pure water is a great example of something neutral because it's neither acidic nor basic. So remember, acids taste sour and turn litmus paper red, while bases feel slippery, taste bitter, and turn litmus paper blue. Now that we know what acids and bases are, let's look at where we find them in everyday life. You'll be surprised by how many familiar items fall into these categories. In the kitchen, common acids include vinegar and lemon juice, each with a strong sour taste. On the other side, baking soda is a basic substance that's not only useful in cooking but also for cleaning. Cleaning products are actually some of the most common bases we use. Soap, for example, is a base and has that slippery feel we talked about. Knowing whether something is an acid or a base can help us understand its purpose. Acids are often used for flavor or preserving foods, while bases are helpful for cleaning because they can neutralize or break down oils and grime. So, next time you're in the kitchen or helping clean up, look around and see if you can spot acids and bases in action. Finally, let's talk about how acids and bases affect the environment. One of the most important examples is acid rain. Acid rain happens when pollution mixes with rainwater, making it more acidic than normal. This acid rain can be harmful to plants, trees, soil, and even the water sources that animals rely on. To keep the environment healthy, scientists often check the pH levels of soil and water. Plants need balanced pH levels in soil to grow properly, so if the soil becomes too acidic, it can harm plant life. In these cases, scientists might add a base to help neutralize the acid and restore balance. Knowing the pH of different things in nature helps us protect our environment and keep ecosystems healthy. Now that you know about acids and bases, from what they are to where you'll find them in daily life and their role in the environment, you're ready to tackle the mysteries of the haunted pumpkin patch escape room. Remember, this video is here to guide you whenever you need help. You can always re-watch it to refresh your knowledge as you navigate each spooky setting. And for even more adventures in science, visit excavatingadventures.com. You'll find tons of interactive educational escape rooms, plus the chance to earn free dig kits and explore science in a whole new way. Good luck and enjoy your journey into the world of acids and bases.